a smoked salmon and chive omelette. That's so much more than just a great breakfast. In a large bowl, whisk the eggs with the cream and season with salt and pepper. Heat a non-stick frying pan over medium-low heat. Add the butter and swirl to coat. Pour in the egg mixture and cook, swirling the pan to evenly cover the bottom for about 2 minutes, or until most of the egg is set but still liquid on top. Place the salmon on top and fold the omelette. Serve with black pepper, chives, and Greek yogurt.